In this video, I'm gonna show you how to play music on Roblox Voice Chat Mobile. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. So, before we start, for the first method, I'm gonna show you how to play music on Roblox Voice Chat on PC first. To play music on Voice Chat on PC, all you have to do is download Voicemeeter Banana by going to vbaudio.com/voicemeeter/banana.htm. Download and install Voicemeeter Banana. After you've properly installed the software, open it up and set it up properly. Afterwards, go into your sound recording devices on your Windows and find Cable Output from VB Audio on recording devices. Open up its properties, go into the Listen tab, and make sure Listen to this device is enabled. Now, within Roblox, go into the Settings tab and make sure that your output device or input device is set to VB Audio. This way, everything you play will be heard through your Roblox mic. Afterwards, you can start playing any song you want by using MP3 or MP4 files on your computer. Now, a quick disclaimer I want to make is that this process is only doable through your computer. Currently, as of 2022, there is no way to play music on Roblox Voice Chat on mobile. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that there is no way to play music on a Roblox Voice Chat on mobile. I presented you with an alternative method which might help. I hope I was able to help you on how to play music on Roblox Voice Chat on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.